So welcome back. So if you understood how to write the code to evaluate the screen size that will determine the style that will be applied, if you already understood that, then you already know everything you need to know about media queries. If you just understand the min width and the max width, okay, so that is all you just need to understand. So everything I'm doing after then now is just based on your working knowledge of CSS. Okay, so this is what I want to do now. I want to fill up this space here. Okay, now I'm not trying to do what we have on the large screen device. If you see the large screen device, everything is just you can see this section, another one, like that. But I'm not trying to do this yet because this width that we have can't achieve this. If you try to do this here, it won't look good. It will be clustered. Okay, but I still have too much space around this section, so I want to take like this, these three here, and place them somewhere here. Okay, now I mentioned something from the start that it's always good to have a picture of what you want to do before you start writing your code. Okay, now with my current code, it won't be easy for me to achieve this. Even if I achieve it with my current code, it might be difficult for someone to make adjustments in the future. So to make it easier, you can see this portion here about us, what we do, FAQ. You can see them here. So the next three. So this is the footer menu one. These three, group them into footer menu one. These three are dividing them into footer menu two. Okay. Now I want to put the two groups into. I want to nest them like this one and this one. I want to now nest them in a div, so it will be easy for me to manipulate them together or in isolation. So I'll just quickly create a div and name it footer menu, because here I had footer menu 1, footer menu 2. So if I'm grouping them, I can just name it footer menu. So I say div. Okay, so I've created that. So let me just quickly cut my footer menu 1 and footer menu 2 inside footer menu. Cut. So it doesn't change anything. I just did that so it will be easier for me to manipulate. Okay, so I need to nest properly. It's not compulsory. So let me see. So this side is not properly nested. Okay. So now I can say once the screen size gets to 630 pixels, this footer menu, I want to give it a display of flex. Footer menu. Display. Okay. So let me also give it a width of 100%. it's still not taking effect yet. Okay, I think the footer menu 1 probably has a width of 100%, so I can give the children of footer menu width of 50% each. Let me be sure I saved this. Okay, I saved it. Footer menu, all the direct children, width of 50%. So I had to quickly look for what the issue is in order to save time, because I've been applying some styles and it's not taking effect. So, and anytime you experience such, all you need to do is go to your developer tools to inspect, to know what style is overriding the style you're trying to apply. So this is the new div I created, okay, and I want to see the styles affecting this div. So this is the style that is affecting it. I had created this to target any div that has a class that contains the word menu anywhere. So this footer menu has been affected. So what can I do? Is either I change the name of this class, or another option would be to give it an ID instead of a class. You know, ID has a higher weight when you consider specificity. So what I can do is just change this to an ID, or let me see the footer, if I already gave the footer an ID in the first place. So this is the footer container, there is no ID. So I could also add an ID here and place the ID before this class. So anyway, just to increase the weight of this style, there are many options to achieve that. So let me just make this an ID instead. ID. So all I need to do is change that to hash. Change this to hash. Okay. Okay, so this is it. So you can see I now have this here. So this doesn't really look good. So I can bring it down a bit so that this portion is separate from this portion. Then it also doesn't look good this way. So I can try to change the alignment. So all of that is just CSS, not media queries. So I think the time is up for this video. Yes, 9 minutes.